we move on to the next session, which is recognition of publications and the BOS Book Award. The Bombay Orthopaedic Society is a scientific society, and each year the Bombay Orthopaedic Society recognizes and rewards the publications, book chapters, and books written by the members of the society. May I now call upon the Bombay Orthopaedic Society President, Dr. Rajesh Gandhi, and the Honorary Secretary, Dr. Neeraj Bijlani, to take over the proceedings of this session.
Yeah, thank you. Before we start the recognition of publications, I would like to welcome the IOA Traveling Fellows who are right here. Can you please stand up? Can you focus the camera on them? Yeah, so Dr. Prabodh Kantiwal, Dr. Kritesh Mishra, Dr. Tanay Prabhu, and Dr. Aditya Bardwaj. I hope you are enjoying WIROC. So we have a good lineup. We have a good lineup for you the next 4 days, and we are hoping that we may have some surgeries for you tomorrow also. So with this, we start the recognition of publication and book awards. So the first one is Dr. Dipit Sahu, who has around 10 publications in his name in this year. Dr. Dipit Sahu, if you are here, please come and collect your certificate. Okay, so we move on to the next one, Dr. Abhishek Rai. Yes, Dipit Sahu is here. Dr. Abhishek Rai. So he has 6 publications in this year in his name. The next one is Dr. Sanjay Londe. Dr. Sanjay is not here, I have not seen him. Dr. Siddharth Shah. Dr. Sachin Kale. He has 6 publications in his name. Dr. Mandar Agashe. So he has a 1 publication and 1 book chapter. Dr. Shreyas Gajjar. I think he's busy in another session. Dr. Kshitij Chaudhary. He was just here. Dr. Prakash Sigedar, he couldn't make it. He has got 2 book chapters. And now we come to the prestigious BOS Book Award. I take great pleasure in announcing this, as he has been my mentor since the day I joined BOS. I still remember when there was one AGM where I was delayed, and he messaged me that why have you not reached the AGM yet? And it was many years back, even before I became a EC member. The award goes to Dr. Anand Thakur, Tapping the Power of PowerPoint for Medical Posters and Presentations. This book is very close to me. It always remains on my bedside, and I always keep on referring to it. I thought I knew a lot about presentations and posters, but I still learn a lot from that book still today.
Some years ago, BOS started the book award. I say it is working because this is my third book award. So I have been really encouraged by this book award. And it's working, it's also contagious. Only yesterday, 2 of our members approached me and appraised me of what they are writing and how to go about it. So I think BOS should continue encouraging writing activities for all our members, because that's the way our name will go higher and higher. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So with this we conclude the session and we meet after lunch. Thank you.